We are pleased to show you the 2019 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers, rear window defroster, steering wheel audio controls. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.